Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to this one. Now we need to do first derivative for the both sides. First derivative of this one you got about 0. First derivative of s squared you got about 2s. Number 4 with number 2 you got about 8s ds. Because we don't have number 8, so we need to divide both sides by number 8. So this one we change by u. S ds we change by the u over number 8. The integration of the u over u, you got about ln of the absolute value of u, and we put about c. About u, that's it about this one. This is the end. Thank you for watching.